Hi everyone. Welcome to yet another session of our customer support development meetings. Today we are here with Gary and Rahim. Yeah, it's good. I'd like to announce that this is our 13th session, and over the many sessions that we've had, we've quite had a number of developments. Yeah, specifically the KenyaX. .com/Mawazo page. Mm, we have some prototype of a script that Rahim developed, which we are going to focus on today, and also we are going to look at the contract. We had started discuss some discussions about the contract, and now we are about to get back to this discussion and try to push it to the point where we'll be able to give out a contract for someone for uh, customer support lead, and we see how it goes. So, all right, Rahim, I saw you posted a script on the stream of our CNMCyber
Mhm.
support kitchen. So I'll share my screen, and you can take us through the script and how you see how you envision it to being like how you want to execute it.
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
With in terms of like, I want to tie it to our like deliverables. What is this?
Hmm.
What is
Yes, yes.
if we go back to our backlog? What is the number or kind of what social media banner text? No.
No.
Mawaza intro page? No.
vi-
Kenya Waza challenge
Video.
YouTube channel video. I don't know what is the goal of this video?
It's stage three, like the welcome video. Is that correct, Rahim?
What is the purpose? Stage three makes no sense at this moment. Right now, like we're in stage one. I moved some stuff from stage one to stage two,
Hmm.
like in terms of SOP and contract,
Yeah.
because it's impossible if we say stage one is like open to the public.
Hmm.
So definitely public cannot like collaborate on SOP. So it
Yeah.
should be like on stage two.
Two. Yeah, I think it's
So
stage two.
I would guess Rahim's video is a part of Mawaza intro page,
Yes.
possibly, or Mawaza challenge description. Yeah, kind of maybe description, like, yeah, kind of maybe number three.
All right. Yes.
But I still have questions about this, like, Waza challenge. Um, I still don't see how these challenges will be identified
Hmm.
and what will be posted. Who
Hmm.
will define them? How will posted? How many challenges? Like let's say a week.
Hmm.
I don't see this kind of happening right now. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So again, kind of Rahim, what is this video and what is the goal and what we try to achieve using this video? Because kind of right now it's our guesses. but you wrote it, so probably you know better.
Rahim, are you with us? Or your mic is muted.
Uh,
Trying to share something.
My mic was muted. I was just talking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
mm,
Yes. How are you, sir? How was your day today?
thank you for inviting me. Okay, got it. We're fine. We're fine. How are you?
Okay. Thank you so much. I'm good. I'm good.
How are you? Mm.
I'm better today, and I'm sharp. I'm looking forward to like answering your question you just asked. Yes, basically, the purpose of this video is to make it easy for people to understand this challenge, and also at the same time create an engaging and informative promotional video. Here, it will give us an opportunity to reach out to them, explain to them what this video is, this challenge is. At the same time, make it interesting for them to wanna participate for on the challenge, and above everything, it brings the flavor of the challenge. It speaks out what we are trying to do right now, the developments we are
Hmm.
trying to put in place right now. Yes,
Hmm.
yes. Now, so what I know that this video will achieve is, first, it will capture the attention of the right
Hmm.
audience.
Hmm.
Number two, it will make it simple and relatable for them to understand the challenge as a whole. And above everything, which is the most important part, is that it will drive the point that we want to the challenges.
What point? What point do you want? What we kind of what we what is so? Who is the audience? The audience, people who are interested in kind of this the first challenge, this idea challenge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So these
Yeah.
people are still not these people are still not registered, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So and we want them
They're not registered.
to
And
basically to
you just
and
asked
we
that.
want them to get excited about participation, meaning they
Yes.
can kind of like clicking on the calendar and get into different challenges, right?
Correct.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm. Like, in other words, the video will be like the first point of engagement with them, and then they'll proceed to the calendar and back to the video where they will share their ideas.
Yeah. So kind of how like let's say if we talk about Mawaza intra page, which is the stage
Mhm.
one, number two, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is kind of the same style. The same stuff. It's kind of like will be. We can say this video will be kind of a visual version of this intro page, or what?
No, no, it will not be the visual interpret of the page. It will actually be the traffic driving. Its purpose is to make sure people know why they are participating in this challenge, and where they can go to start the challenge or to get more information. That is exactly what you're asking. The page, the intro page. People cannot just
Yeah, but
get
kind
there
of
without being
but
told.
but 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 you are saying kind of like you are repeating what I said. So like
Yes,
the target audience of the intro page and from the video and the goal which we want to achieve are the same, right?
yes,
So
Correct.
why you kind of are resistant, why you are resistant the idea that this is kind of, it's like different forms of the same stuff.
I'm actually not refusing. I think where the point is a little bit different is that this video will not be talking about most of the information that will be on the intro page. It will basically
Hmm.
measure with the most important part of the message, like about the challenge. Number two, it will
Hmm.
also talk about the price, at the same time emphasizing on the fact that the challenge will be free. So you can see this video, it's not about the intro page, it's more about the challenge.
But interpret about the challenge too. So again, kind of from what I see, like you're saying that the intro page will be bigger, have more information, and video, your video, which you are talking about, will be kind of some like a excerpt, like a summary.
Hmm.
Why don't we have like a intro page summary too?
Okay. And that's why we are here
And
to
yeah,
discuss about
I'm asking questions because I try to understand what the relationship is and what kind of um, how to proceed with this.
on the last meeting we had, we discussed and you said like every challenge will have its own video. Now, what I
Yeah.
tried was to vision the message that we will try to pass in these videos, and that's
Hmm.
basically why I came up with this script. And the purpose of actually it starting the first in conversation was to make sure it is the right script, and also at the same time add the information that is necessary, or you can get to tell me how I can make it even better to serve the purpose that it's of priority.
Yeah, you mentioned
You
a good point.
you see,
Sorry
kind
for
of like,
interrupting.
yeah, can no,
Yeah,
no, Kevin,
so
continue.
yeah, getting back to your point, Gary, like an intro for the intro page. I think we may have an introduction video for the challenge itself that will be talking about the challenge in general. If you want to learn more, go to the page. This is the information you'll find there, and also how to to get involved into the take part in the challenges as well. So I think that is a good idea, and we can explore this as well.
Yeah. So what I see, like we have this social media banner text, right?
Yeah.
We're saying to people, oh, kind of go to the page, right? Go to the page.
Hmm.
People get to the page. So kind of our like goal is, if let's say if you are ready to participate, click on kind of challenge and get started, right?
Hmm.
Or if you're not going to participate, click here and read more, right? Or look through the
Yes.
page more, kind of like it will be like longer page. I'm trying to understand. It should be like two different pages or like everything on one page, like one big
No.
page with many kind of many details.
Just one page with
And
many
if you
details.
one page, so it will be
Yes, and
like not
also
intro. It will be just like Mawaza page, right? And
correct.
then if you're bothered to read, click
Hmm.
here and look for like a short video.
Yes.
What if I want to know more? the details, but I don't like to read. So it should be like a longer video too, I guess.
No, the details about the challenges or particular because
Challenges,
the
yeah. I still
yeah
have a question. All this like how to pick, what kind of research, like how,
yes we
let's
can
say, I will define how the challenges, how the topics. We still like we are undecided how we'll pick the winner, but we decided to move it to the next stage.
yes
But there is something which we cannot move to the next stage, which is how the topics will be identified. Who will identify the topics? I will include it on the page too, because the
okay
page will be generally like a description what we are creating, and we are still in the process of creation. And by
correct
the way, I will postpone any video until we agree on what we are trying to kind of create. Because if
yes
we don't know what we are trying to create, why would we create a video now?
yeah
Video is not that important in this moment. I will probably even say that we can start with no video at all. Kind of if we talk about minimalistic, the minimum, the bare minimum, nothing but the minimum, I would say video will be probably should be moved like farther, generally speaking. If we move like welcome video farther, why we couldn't move like anything? So let's try to create a bare minimum, like bare, like the minimalistic, nothing which without which the kind of the meetups are like possible, right?
yeah
From this regard, this like video advertising Mawaza content or kind of give some snippet of the Mawaza content is not minimalistic. We
okay
can like someone who is really interested in should be able just to read, right?
okay yeah
Does it make sense or no?
yeah it makes sense so like the videos will come at the last stages before the launch
Yeah, we can push even
or
like maybe stage two.
okay
Kind of the idea is we need to create a description. We need to understand what we are developing before we start like advertising it. And video, like the video which Rahim is talking about, it's more like kind of a promotion what we have on the page. But if we don't have everything on the page now, how we can promote it?
I see your point yeah
My kind of my I struggled yesterday when I look at this kind of at this backlog. And by the way, I created this good enough products at the very beginning, right? Can you
yeah
open this page? Yes,
yes
good enough products, which I believe already kind of exists, right?
correct
Including this very backlog. From
yeah
stage one, I moved like contract and SOP further to the next kind of to the next stage because like from stage two it will be like open to the space members, so it cannot be like open to the public. And what I saw, number two and number three looks like really kind of repetitive to me. Can we just instead of intra page just say Mawaza page or Mawaza kind of description page and include everything in details on this page? And after we will add like a video on this page, like next,
okay
because Otherwise, what KNX was a challenge is the same description. Should this description be somewhere on the internal documents? Then what will be like SOP then? Understand what I'm saying? Kind of number 2 and number 3. Are they the same thing or no?
Yeah, they're the same thing.
So we'll probably like can combine them, right?
Yeah, correct.
So instead of intro, just more other page, page content. Okay, saved. Can you refresh your page now? Maybe instead of page, by the way, let's call it Moaza content or Moaza description or Moaza, yeah, content.
Yeah.
Okay, next, we need, like, I'm talking, let's go to number 3, this week challenges. What will be the challenges? How we define the challenges? The first challenge will be how to select the winner, right?
Yeah.
What else? One can be just like a meeting state of customer service, like customer service. Okay, so yes, the state of customer service.
Correct.
CNMCyber customer service. And there we will talk about all the topics which is good enough products,
Yeah.
including this backlog.
And we had also shared this idea that
What else? So let's say kind of let's pick up.
like in the meetings we'll be talking about
Yeah.
that the particular challenge that took place probably the previous day or during the week, and also get to mention that the winner in the meeting. So
Yes, we can select the winner in the meeting. Yes, we can select the meeting winner of the meeting there. Yeah. Yes, correct. So this is like will be like state of CNMCyber customer service, right?
yeah, yeah, and then it will be like a subheading, which is the challenge that took place prior to the meeting.
So so what we kind of stage 1 instead of this week challenges, right?
Yeah.
Or this week challenges. Okay. And number 5 will be state of CNMCyber customer service
Mm-hmm.
meetings,
Yeah,
meetups.
correct. And also, do we get to what do you think about if we are
So
announcing the winners in the meeting? How many meetings do we have? Are we going to have? Since we agreed that we're going to have several challenges in a week.
I don't know.
Hmm. Probably combined in one meeting.
I have no opinion about how to select the winner.
Hmm.
And I mentioned it. I even don't want to. I don't want to have any opinion. I want outsource it. It doesn't matter to me.
Hmm.
Whatever will be exciting and engaging and fair.
Yeah.
Um, so can you refresh this page now? Didn't happen yet. Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
You see, like right now, I put like number 4,
Yeah.
and I put like a state of CNMCyber customer service meetings.
Yes.
And I see right now to discuss good enough products,
Hmm.
aka stage 0, right?
Yeah.
And the last week challenges, right?
Yeah. Hmm. Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, I think that's good enough. So maybe just to figure out
I will
whether
I will emph- I will emphasize I will emphasize the backlog.
okay,
Gonna
and
this
also whether to combine all the challenges in one meeting or have several meetings.
I would say this can be like one meeting,
Okay.
but it can be prepared. Basically, it can be the same space like CNM Cyber Support Kitchen
Mm-hmm.
will be will be kind of used to discuss between the meetings, the meetings. And I would say our current meeting, which we have right now,
Yeah.
I will say that this is the prototype of the state of CNM Cyber customer support service meetings. Because we're discussing some products,
Correct.
we don't have the last week challenges, but we're discussing the next challenges, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we do right now is basically we are prototyping state of CNM Cyber customer service.
Correct.
We need to decide how to select these week challenges. Who will make a decision when?
Mm-hmm. Can this board be responsible for this? From the backlog, we will vote and decide what.
It should be this manager, customer service manager,
Mhm.
by definition.
Okay.
Customer service manager should be a part of customer service manager. But this
Hmm.
manager we need to either say It is kind of the goal to kind of to pick kind of the challenges or
Yeah,
what.
yeah. Like a series of challenges, we can pre-approve them. He can like select them, and we can pre-approve them for the coming weeks and for that week as well.
By the way, if we agree on number one, by the way, in stage one, do we agree on number one, social media banner text? It is a good text or anything else? What a challenge! 10,000 Kenya shillings in prices every week. Free to participate. Everyone is welcome. Go to kenyax.com/Mawaza. Is it a good text or no? Yes or no?
I like it.
I like it too because I wrote it and I edited it.
Rahim, what do
Rahim,
you think?
it is a good text or no? Because
I was going through the
if
text.
Rahim,
I think it's good, sir. It's good. It has already talked
good.
about the
So
challenge, the prize. I think it's fine. We can move forward.
if it is fine, if
Okay.
it is good enough, so I need to move it to good enough products.
Sure, sure.
Why it's here? And basically, and it will be kind of discussed during these meetings, right?
Yeah.
Can you refresh your page? So now
Mm-hmm.
we lost your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes, I
Okay.
can see it
Okay.
now. It's not as good as it used to be, but it's kind of okay. So, so Mawaza content, we need to have this content, right?
Yeah.
And we already have something.
Correct.
From this content, we just need to pick, like, the only thing which is unclear to me, and I want to decide it, like, preferably now.
Yes.
How will we select? How will we select topics, like challenge topics? How many topics will be? Who will make a decision?
Mm-hmm.
It is one thing.
Yeah.
And basically, after this, I will say Mawaza content.
Mm-hmm.
I will probably call it customer support development, kind of like meetups, right? We
Yeah.
just can say state of CNMCyber customer service.
Yes. Yes. Also, in regards to the challenges, we need to figure out who are the target audience. If it's anyone, um, we need to make it as simple as possible to understand, and also they need to understand the problem we are facing. So It should be like a beginner.
It will be anyone. It will be anyone. It will be anyone.
Correct. So yes, so these challenges need to
It can
be
be
as
anyone.
simple. Okay, so they need to be as simple as possible.
At the same time, no, simple as possible will be what will be kind of, I would say, there are like two different schools of thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
One school of thought is to have the challenges with educational purpose, right? As a
Okay.
part of our learning.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So then it makes sense to make them as simple as possible.
Yeah.
But then, when I get into the place that we're trying to mimic educational institutions,
Mm-hmm.
we're trying to educate kind of like our participants. Another school of either and what their learners will be kind of second. From this perspective, I will
Yeah.
put what we need. So at this moment, we really need to create a system to pick the winners of of these challenges.
Mm-hmm.
And this is not simple task. It's a
It's
complex
not
task. It's a
correct.
very complex task.
Correct. And also, we need to think about
Because if it
how.
will be simple, we already have.
Mm-hmm.
I would go with what we need.
Okay.
And we need, let's say, right now, we need to decide how we select the winners, and
Mm-hmm.
we can wait, right? And at the same time, we need to decide what the challenges, what the topics of the challenges will be. And we need to select it now, because
Mm-hmm.
otherwise, the person who will run the contract, what this
We'll
person will
have
like
challenges.
this.
Yeah.
So this person is supposed to do something, because we can have
Correct.
challenges and still no winners technically,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
theoretically. It's not good, but
Mm-hmm.
if we talk about we will do like minimum,
Yeah.
but we need to select the topics because without the topics we cannot move
Mm-hmm.
anywhere.
Yeah. What about the topics from Wise Next? The challenges we are facing in Wise Next?
Can you explain the idea?
Yeah, like the dry run we had, there were several challenges that they faced, um, and we can convert this to challenges where people now can come and seek solutions for this. For example, submitting their proposals. That was a challenge, and how to review the proposals as well, how to move them to backlog. Yeah, something like that.
Will be covered by like state of CNMCyber customer support service meetings,
Hmm. Yes.
because technically KNX is a part of our good enough products.
Yeah.
And this, therefore, it will be a topic of the discussion of the state of CNMCyber customer service.
Correct.
Okay,
Hmm.
So basically, it's kind of one, like state of CNMCyber customer service.
Yeah,
One topic.
one top. Yeah.
But what is kind of, but what is kind of a normal? What kind of can we create a rule how we will select kind of challenges? How the manager will
Hmm.
select the challenges? Can we give kind of this person some kind of tool, idea,
Selection.
rule,
Yeah, yeah, yes,
instruction?
yes, yes.
So guess what?
Okay. Yeah, trying to think how the kind of criteria what will guide this the manager on how to select the challenges, and I think this
Hmm.
requires more time. It requires more time.
We will move it to Monday
Yes,
discussion, or
yes,
we will
probably.
discuss on we will discuss on support, kitchen, space.
Yes, we can do that because I think like posting it there, and we can have a discussion between now and Monday.
So this is what I propose.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of stage one,
Yes.
let's call it like current projects.
Okay. Current projects.
Current projects.
Mm-hmm.
Current projects open to the public.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can you refresh your page or you close your page? Or public projects. Or public projects. Of
Mm-hmm.
about
Yes.
this. Yeah, instead of current projects, like public
Mm-hmm.
projects.
Yes.
Can you open their this? Can you share your screen?
Mm-hmm. Are you able to see my screen?
No. It kind of sets the screen, but nothing shows. Maybe because of my connection.
Yeah, probably it's the connection. Yeah, I see you have updated to current projects open to the public. Can you see it now?
And can you refresh?
Yeah, yeah. I'll try to Refresh once again. I see team projects as well. Yeah. Should I refresh again?
Yeah, okay, I see your page now. Yeah, okay, please refresh again.
Okay.
So now,
Mm-hmm.
if you refresh, so we
Yes.
have good enough products
Correct.
on the top, which will
Yes.
be a
Yes.
topic of our state of customer support, right? We will discuss
Mm-hmm.
this during our customer support service like meetings.
Meetings. Yes.
Next, it goes like public projects.
Mm-hmm.
And public projects is basically what I propose is
Mm-hmm.
every of these public projects, when
Yeah.
we kind of polish them, will be a
Mm-hmm.
topics for challenge, this week challenge. So for
Yes.
instance, right now, instead of this week challenges,
Mm-hmm.
so let's say let's put let's put like process for
Mm-hmm.
selection of the challenge winners.
Yes.
So this will be a topic. Can you refresh now?
Yeah.
So public project is to identify, let's say, process for selection of challenge winners.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Mawaza content, by the way, Mawaza content will go to good enough as soon as you will put this idea.
Okay.
Uh, so we will have state of CNMCyber customer service meetings.
Mm-hmm.
We have YouTube channel and process selection of challenge winners. Why not?
Yeah.
And the more topics we have,
Mm-hmm.
we will go more in details. And some
Mm-hmm.
point of time, we may kind of get back to KNX or kind of something else.
Okay.
But in this case, whatever is listed in public projects
Mm-hmm.
will be topics of will be topics for the challenges this week, right?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
So this is my proposal. Kind of to work on this idea is a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. I like this idea. I like this approach.
Yeah, like I will put in this state of cyber support
Mm-hmm.
service meetings. I will put backlog as their kind of their
The backbone of this meeting.
as the separate yeah separate as a separate item.
Okay.
And whatever we decided on the backlog, so it will be kind of a way for
Mm-hmm.
to approve, select. approve, discuss. Okay, can you refresh again?
Yep.
So let's talk about this like a public project number 3, right? State of CNMCyber customer support service meetings
Mm-hmm.
to discuss good enough products,
Okay.
to overview the last week challenges, as
Mm-hmm.
well as to approve the backlog. So basically, we discuss what was in the past,
Mm-hmm.
and we make a decision what will be in the future, right?
Yeah. I like it.
It should be like pretty straightforward
It
and
is.
cool.
It is. Rahim, what do you think about this?
Will join and kind of, or join. Rakim, did you get what we are talking about with like opinion? And we'll have a team projects, which will be
Correct.
more kind of between people who are already in the system.
Yes.
Yes, I did get you well, and I think
Mhm.
it is the best approach so far this week.
But maybe kind of we have like Monday till Monday. You may get with a better idea,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? But the eventually, as of now, I just want to start moving minimalistically, kind of just the bare minimum, whatever we cannot live without, because
Yeah.
we need to decide. We need to decide what the challenges will be, because it cannot be decision. It can be, let's say, one can be decision of the manager.
Mm-hmm.
Manager may say, oh, it will be like one challenge at your discretion, for instance, a week. You can
Mm-hmm.
assign like one challenge back based on your interest. Why not?
Yes.
But generally, we need to give some like blueprint, and the blueprint will be everything related, everything which is listed in the public projects
Mm-hmm.
should be translated in the challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah. I think that's we can adjourn at this point, and any other discussion that may arise, we'll discuss it on the stream.
Yeah, I'm sorry that you kind of at the very beginning discuss here. I want to reiterate. I see no point at this moment to discuss the video until we are still unclear what. Let's create something and
I
then we
agree.
will put like a video on the top.
Video will be last. Yeah. I agree. All right. Our time is far much spent. I'd like us to adjourn at this point, unless there's any other burning issue we need to address right now. If not, thank you so much. for the ideas on how the challenges will be developed. Let's share our ideas on the stream, have a discussion there, and
Yeah.
come Monday, we'll carve like a basis of where to start from in this discussion.
Yeah, and we will kind of what I plan to kind of to discuss on Monday. Like first of all, yes, how we select the challenges,
Yes.
and secondly, we need to work on this state of CNMCyber customer service. So
Yeah.
instead of like these development meetups, let's use our meetings, our meeting customer service.
Okay.
And instead of number, we can put like state of customer service as of July 3rd, for instance. So it will be kind of just like a date, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Correct.
we need to start using this space to approve the backlog. Probably we need to use the voting on this space, right? So we
Yeah.
will start using this space to kind of yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. I agree.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you too.
Yeah.